Welcome to Hengyuan Factory. We are focused on the concrete machines since 1999. Today, I will introduce the installation about the bucket feeding type concrete batching plant, the aggregate batching machine assembly. The flat belt will be assembled first, then fix the hopper on the top of the belt, and install the aggregate storage bins at last. The concrete mixer structure assembly. The platform and safety handrail will be installed first, and then the support legs. Lift up the concrete mixer about 1.5 meters and fix the discharge collection hopper. When it finished, lift up the concrete mixer in position and fix all the support legs. Wing scale assembly. Install the wing sensors first and put the wing hoppers in position. Fix the wing scales on the top of a concrete mixer. The control system will be assembled at last. This is the installation about the bucket feeding type concrete batching plant. Follow me to get more information about the concrete machines. This is Jack. See you next time.